Have a blast. Enjoy. And yun lang pala. Sige. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Happy birthday, TM! Happy birthday, TM! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, TM!
TM, happy birthday! Thank you kasi kinupop mo kami as of the moment. And wish you good health, of course. Enjoy. Enjoy sa birthday mo kahit wala kami. Sorry naman.
So, yun lang, TM Grace. Happy birthday po. Wish you good health and more success. Ayun. We love you,
We love you, TM.
Take care.
Take
Salamat.
care.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Grace, happy birthday. Sorry ngayon lang ako nakakapag-hi sa'yo, tsaka numusta. Na-miss kita. So kahit hindi tayo parang nagkikita, alam mo namang love kita. Ikaw pa rin naman yung una ko naging manager. Tsaka sobrang may respeto talaga ako sa'yo. I love you, I miss you. Sana makasama ko sa mga team building nyo. Love you. Bye-bye.
Grace, kulit ka, no? Kulit din ako. Happy birthday! Lagi naman kita nakikita everyday. At saka, ano ba? Sana lagi kang happy. And, ano ba yun? Madilim kasi tayo. Ano pa ba? Thank you sa lahat and sa patience nung nasa Amazing Grace pa kaming mga bakla. And sobrang miss kita. Sana makalabas tayo with Adi. Upa! Alam mo yan. Darating kami doon ni Vin, promise. Ayan. And sana makasama ako sa mga team building pa. Ayun na. Love you. Miss you. Ciao. Bye.
Hi TM, happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Grace, happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday. Konti na lang. Wala kang sa calendar. May surprise sila sa'yo Kaya lahat kami gagawa ng video. Iyakan time na. Kaya pala, we wish you all the best. Sana happy ka kung nasan ka ngayon in your career, in life, and in love. And we'll always be here for you. Thank you sa lahat. Yun lang. And
TM pa.
may nakalimutan pala kami importante. Painom ka naman kasi wala kami dyan sa surprise celebration mo. Apparently, yung team building pala is your surprise birthday party. Kaya doon na lang kami sa i-organize mong birthday. Diba?
Oo nga.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
PM, bossing, pasensya na ha, hindi ako makakapunta. I would like to take this opportunity to greet you very happy birthday. Wala man ako dyan, but my spirit is with the team. Babawi ako, susunod. Enjoy the outing. Happy birthday again. Over and out.
Happy birthday! Ilang years na nga ba? Anyways, thank you for being a good friend, a good TM to me, and enjoy your special day with all of us. Okay, happy birthday! Bye!
Hi, Miss Grace! Happy birthday! Sobrang salamat. Alam mo naman mga dapat yung pagpasalamat sa iyo. So, I hope you'll be blessed dito sa bagong taon na dadagdag sa iyong edad. And stay pretty as you are. Again, and again. Be blessed and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Miss Grace! Hello, I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day, and I wish you also good health and love life. Charot lang.
Miss Grace, more happiness, good health, more blessings. Stay. Alam mo na yun. Enjoy your day!
Bye!
Game na?
Diyos ko kanina pa, sir.
Hi Grace, happy birthday. Sana makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo ngayong birthday mo. Alam ko naman happy ka sa love life mo. So, ano ba ba? Yun lang. Happy birthday. God bless. More birthdays to come.
Hi, Miss Grace. Happy birthday sa aking partner sa Holiday in Sweets Makati. Birthdays to come.
Hi, Miss Grace. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Yun lang.
Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and more booming love life. Laban! Love you!
Hola, Gracia! Happy birthday! More B-days and more love life for you. So, ayun. Sana lang lahat ng wish mo matupad na. Happy birthday!
Tinagay! O, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Minamahal kita na tapat. Hi Grace! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and wish you get all what you wish. That's all my wish to you. It's all wishes. Okay, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Para cha-cha ang buhay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gracia! More birthdays to come. Health, wealth, and a prosperous love life.
Hi Grace! Happy 30th birthday! Bakit 30th? Ako din, mag-30 na ako this October. Again, as always, I wish you all the best in life that you deserve. Continue making other people happy. And most especially yourself. I'll see you around. Happy birthday ulit.
Excuse me. Pa-message naman oh. Please? Excuse me.
Para kanino ba yan?
Kay Grace.
Diyos ko naman. 30 ka na. Maganda ka pa ba? Happy birthday, Miss Grace! Ayan nga, nasa iyo na lahat. Ganda, talino, at saka braso. Diba? Parang kulang na lang talaga, ano. Ano ba kulang sa kanya, Norby?
Love life?
Ay, parang hindi naman na. Anyway, sana lagi kang happy. Ngayon 30 ka na. Kumapit ka na rin sa wakas. Alam ko, mas magiging, mas magiging matalino ka sa mga desisyon na gagawin mo sa buhay mo. I wish you all the happiness. I wish you abundance. Alam ko naman masaya ka ngayon, pero sana mas maging peaceful pa yung relasyon mo sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Alam mo yan, di ba? So yun lang. I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Gracia, happy birthday! I'm sorry di ako makasama sa birthday mo, pero papasalubungan na lang kita ng request mo. I'll miss you on your birthday. And enjoy your day, you deserve it. And I'm happy na sobrang nag-prepare yung buong team mo for your birthday. We love you and we'll always be here for you. God bless!
Somewhere a prayer that we'll find one another in that big somewhere out there.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Banding tayo. Yun. Thank you for being there for me. Yun, happy 30? Happy 30th?
18.
Happy 18th birthday, kumare. Sige, bye-bye.
And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing on the same bright star.
And when night wind starts to sing a lonesome lullaby, it helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same big sky.
Somewhere out there, if love can see us through, then we'll be together.
Somewhere out there, out where dreams come true.
Hello, Bal. Happy birthday. May you have many, many, many more birthday to come. And I wish you all the best in your life. Stay beauty always and sexy. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Ano po?
I wish you could be fit for the coming years and be more successful in your career. Bye. Happy birthday again.